Hey people, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm gonna tell you how to change your default install location in your Windows computer. So normally when you install something from an external source, it would just store in local disk C, that is in program files folder, if you know about it. So this video I'm gonna tell you how to change the default install location. And as well, I could not come up on YouTube because my exams were on and I was just busy in my preparations. So that's the reason I couldn't come up on the YouTube. So now I'm back and we'll see what happens. So this video, keep watching and subscribe to Code Bytes for more such content. So let's begin with the video. Okay, first you need to open registry edit. So you can just do it by clicking somewhere here, type regedit. Okay, you can open it. Okay, it's as easy as that. Then browse to HKEY local machine and software, then to Microsoft. Okay, it's here. Then to Windows. Okay, it's here. Then to current version. Okay, now you just click on the current version and you can see a program files dir 86 and program files dir. So you can just change the location in either of the location, that is double click on them and change the value data. So if you have a custom folder where you want to install your files defaultly, you can just enter that address here. So that's in the value data. So for example, if you want to store somewhere in local disk F or local disk E, just enter value data as local disk E and the custom folder where you want to install your file. So that's how you can change your default install location in your Windows. So this trick normally works for Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10 guaranteed. So but the earlier versions, that is Windows XP, well, I have not tried it on Windows XP, but I think it would work. So just check on that and make sure you mention that in my comments below. So I hope you like this video. It was a simple topic. Subscribe my channel for more such content and comment down below if you face any errors or bugs while performing this trick. Also leave a thumbs up below. So signing off, Code Bytes. See you soon.